recently, Google has released the first look of Android 11 developer preview for the Pixel lineup, which is the next successor to Android 10. Along with Pixel devices, Google has uploaded a GSI for all treble compatible devices. Hey, what's up guys, KSK here. Welcome back to another video. This is the first look of Android 11 developer preview running on Redmi K20 Pro. Let's take a look at it and find out how it performs on this device. If in case you like this video, then hit the subscribe button down there and turn on notifications by hitting the bell button to get notified whenever I post a new video. Let's get started. It's so early to see the first look of Android 11 developer preview running on Redmi K20 Pro. Now let me go ahead and show you the version, and as you can see it says Android R instead of Android 11. Aesthetically, Android 11 is not a major update and there are no changes made to the user interface, which is expected. Now what Google is trying to do is that they wanted to make Android 10 much faster and responsive by fixing many things under the hood. So after installing Android 11 generic system image aka GSI on my K20 Pro, I have first noticed the speed of the system UI has doubled. Oh my god, the animations and transitions are super refined and respond much faster and quicker. It is buttery smooth. Just take a look at the speed of app launching. In person, you will feel the speed of Android 11. Now when it comes to features, Android 11 finally allows you to schedule a dark mode inside settings under the display dark theme. Now you can schedule the dark theme based on time to automatically enable or disable it. Next up, Android 11 allows the users to pin applications in the share menu. You can now pin your favorite applications to the default share menu, and this makes it easier to send to contacts or applications when you use them frequently. Finally, Android 11 has a built-in native screen recorder. Inside a quick tile menu, you will find a dedicated toggle for a screen recorder. You can simply tap on it to start recording. I think the screen recorder in Android 11 is super impressive. You will not face any screen jitters or frame drops even if you are opening any application in the background. Now, by default, the screen recorder uses the full screen resolution of your device and records at 60 frames per second. Sadly, Android 11 screen recorder cannot capture the internal audio from games at the moment. We will wait and see what the final preview of the screen recorder looks like when Google releases a stable Android 11 in upcoming months. Now, other features of Android 11 include a Bluetooth stay on when enabling airplane mode, dedicated conversations within the notification shade, and more. Now, talking about K20 Pro, Android 11 GSI runs pretty smooth on this device, though it's an experimental build from Google and many features are actually broken. For example, the front camera will come out and stays forever. SIM cards may not work. You cannot use your phone to make calls. Media volume got broken. If you try to play any video or audio, you will gonna freak out. Annoying brightness, the screen brightness intensifies automatically, which is a sort of bummer. Of course, you can't expect to make the GSI work better for now, and you cannot use it as a daily driver. Overall, I would say Android 11 is a sweet surprise in terms of performance. Apart from that, it's not a major update. Anyway, if you want to try the first developer preview of Android 11, check the links in the description box down below and read how to install on any treble compatible device, or check our website for more information. That's pretty much it. This is the first look of Android 11 developer preview running on Redmi K20 Pro. I hope you like this video. If you do, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel and consider clicking the bell button to get notified whenever I post a new video. So thanks for watching. This has been KSK Ryle, and I will catch you in my next video. Peace.
I can never ever find the right words, and there's no way this is real life. There's no telling you're the right girl, so I can only say that it feels right. It feels right, it feels right, yeah.